Unraveling a Hard Pass, Understanding the Phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, a hard pass. This term is popular in everyday English, but what does it really mean? Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. A hard pass is a phrase used to firmly decline or reject something. It's stronger than just saying, "No thanks," or "I'll pass." When someone says, a hard pass, they are making it very clear that they are not interested in the offer or suggestion, and there is little to no chance of them changing their mind. While the exact origin of a hard pass is unclear, it likely evolved from sports terminology where a hard pass refers to a forceful pass of the ball. In everyday language, it has come to signify a strong and definitive rejection. This phrase is commonly used in casual conversations, social media, and even in professional contexts, albeit more informally. Let's see how a hard pass is used in different sentences. 1. In social situations. When they asked me to join the karaoke contest, I gave it a hard pass. Singing in public is just not my thing. 2. In work context. My boss offered me a project in another city, but with my family here, it was a hard pass. 3. In pop culture references. I saw the trailer for the new horror movie, and it's a hard pass for me. I don't like scary films. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Some synonyms for a hard pass include firmly decline, strongly refuse, definitely not, absolutely no. And that's a wrap on a hard pass. We hope this video has helped clarify this interesting phrase and added a new expression to your English repertoire. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about communicating ideas and feelings. Keep exploring and expanding your language skills. See you in the next video.